Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that can transform the way you prepare your meals, the OXO Good Grips 3-blade tabletop spiralizer with StrongHold Suction. If you're interested in checking it out, we've included a link in the description below, so you can find the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this spiralizer? It's a handy tool designed to turn your favorite fruits and vegetables into beautiful, uniform spirals. Whether you're looking to make curly fries, fresh salads, or impressive garnishes for your dishes, this spiralizer makes the process quick and easy. Let's take a closer look at its standout features. First up, the OXO Good Grips spiralizer comes with 3 stainless steel blades, a spaghetti cut, which slices at 1/8 inch, a fettuccine cut at 1/4 inch, and a ribbon cut for those thicker, flatter noodles. This versatility allows you to experiment with different textures and styles, making it a great addition to any culinary repertoire. Another feature worth mentioning is the removable blade box. This clever design keeps the blades organized, clean, and safe when not in use, and it conveniently stores on board the spiralizer itself. No more hunting for misplaced blades or worrying about sharp edges. Safety and ease of use are also prioritized with the food holder, which has sharp teeth to securely grip your fruits and vegetables while spiralizing. This means you can focus on creating those perfect spirals without the risk of slipping, definitely a plus for both novice and experienced cooks. The rotating handle is another thoughtful addition. It allows you to easily turn the produce as you spiralize, while the side handle advances the food through the blades. What's even better is that this side handle folds up for compact storage, making it ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Now, who is this spiralizer suitable for? It's perfect for health enthusiasts looking to incorporate more vegetables into their meals, home cooks who enjoy experimenting with new recipes, or even families wanting to make mealtime more fun and engaging for kids. If you're someone who loves creativity in the kitchen, this tool will be a fantastic fit for you. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine whipping up a delicious zucchini spaghetti dish, perfect for a low-carb meal option. You can also create colorful salads using spiralized carrots, beets, or cucumbers, adding an artistic flair to your plate. Feeling adventurous? Try making sweet potato curly fries for a healthier twist on a classic snack. The possibilities are endless. In summary, the OXO Good Grips 3-blade tabletop spiralizer with StrongHold Suction is a versatile, user-friendly kitchen tool that makes it simple to add a little creativity to your meals. With its robust features, safety mechanisms, and compact design, it's a must-have for anyone who loves to cook or is looking to